Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to solve some of the previous year questions from KSET exam. So, before going to start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. So, here is the first question. The width of the depletion layer of a junction. Here, the four options are given is independent of applied voltage, decreases with light doping, increases under reverse bias, increases with heavy doping. So the option C is correct for width of the depletion layer increases under reverse bias. The band gap of semiconducting material used to make an LED is 1.43 electron volt. What will be the minimum wavelength of the radiation emitted by the LED in micrometer? So as we know, the relation between energy and wavelength that is given by E is equal to h nu. Okay, nu is what? Frequency. So h into c by lambda. This is the formula to calculate band gap or wavelength. They have given here energy. So you need to calculate wavelength lambda. You just put here value of given energy in terms of electron volt. They have given Planck constant and speed of light. So you can find out here wavelength. So if you put these values in this formula, if you calculate the option B, you are going to get option B is correct. So an array of flip-flops facilitates to develop memory device. Reason: an array of flip-flop can store binary information temporarily. Here the four options they are given. A is correct, R is incorrect, A is incorrect, B is correct. Both are correct or both are incorrect. So the 46th one is option D. Both the assertion and reason are correct. An array of flip-flop facilitates to develop memory devices, and array of flip-flop can store binary information temporarily. Here the circuit they have given, and it can be used as here the four options they are given or NOR or AND gate, NAND gate. So here we have two diodes in the input, okay, and output is here. So what is the logic gate? It has two inputs and one output. So here the resistance is connected across ground. So basically this circuit acts as AND gate. So option C is correct. The bandwidth of frequency response curve of amplifier increases in positive feedback configuration, negative feedback configuration, common emitter configuration, common base configuration. So 48th is option B. Option B is correct. Negative feedback configuration is a sequence of computations. The process is not a stable process. If the rate of accumulation of error decreases, the rate of accumulation of error decreases, but the rate of relative accumulation error decreases. The rate of accumulation error decreases and rate of relative accumulation error increases. The process is not related to rate of accumulation of relative error. So in case of sequence of computations, which among these four options is not correct? That is option C. The rate of accumulation of error decreases and the rate of relative accumulation error increases. So the last question here, identify the correct order in which the following four devices were invented. So actually BJT, diode, microprocessor, FET. If we see the order-wise invention, but none of them is correct. So this question is a grace mark for you. Okay, this is all about the questions, some of the questions from electronics. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.